Today I'm going to show you how to install SQRL onto your Android device, and then how to import your current identity. First, start by opening up the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. Next, search for the app SQRL, SQRL. The one you're looking for is made by Monkey Business Games. Tap it, and then tap Install. Once SQRL is installed, you can either go ahead and tap to open it, or go ahead and exit out of Google Play and go back to your home screen. You'll notice you'll get a SQRL icon on your home screen. Let's go ahead and open it up. On the first screen, you can either create a brand new SQRL identity or import an existing one. We're going to go ahead and import an existing identity. You can import your identity in one of three ways. Either scan a QR code from either the Windows SQRL client on your desktop or laptop, or you can take a picture of the QR code located on the piece of paper that you printed when you first created your identity. The third option is you can type in a string of text also located on that print-off of your identity. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and scan my identity off my identity print-off. Go ahead and tap Allow. Next, you type in your identity password. And then tap Import Identity. It's then going to decrypt your identity, encrypt, and now your SQRL identity is successfully imported into your phone. So how do you use your identity once it's in the Android app on your smartphone or tablet? First, let's go ahead and open up a website that uses SQRL. All right, once on the page, we're going to go ahead and tap on the key on the top right. Then tap on the QR code. Then enter your SQRL password. Then tap on Login. And now you are successfully logged in using the Android app on your phone or tablet. Well, this has just been a demonstration on how to install SQRL on your Android phone or tablet and how to import your identity. Enjoy.